How to redeem promo code on Jupiter Crypto. What you need to do first of all is open Jupiter Crypto on your device. To redeem promo code, go ahead and tap on this symbol over here on the bottom right. Once you do this, you can see the claim symbol or icon right next to invite. Go ahead and tap on claim. What you need to do next is tap on this box over here and enter the unique invite code. If you have an invite code from a friend, enter it and you can claim your gifted soul. So go ahead and enter the code and then tap on the code entry. So if the code is valid, you can just go ahead and tap on claim and the soul will be transferred to your account. So this is how easy it is to redeem the promo code on Jupiter Crypto. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.